Have you ever had a wig with this amount of damage? Can be for a number of reasons. The hair on the wig could have gone weak or rotted, over bleaching of the knots, faulty washing techniques, aggressive combing or brushing, and the list goes on. But never fear, it's not a complete loss or waste of money, because with the art of ventilation, we can repair those wigs for you. With our wig repair service, you could take your wigs to us and extra hair if you have it, and we will get it fixed. We do minor repairs as well and lace repairs, so if you have a tear in the lace, we will fix that for you. We will also make your wigs from scratch, whether it's a closure or frontal wig, or if you just need the closure or frontal pieces, we got you covered, right? So if you want to take those wigs from drab to fab, just give us a call or WhatsApp us and we can arrange to get your wig collected and have it fixed for you. I won't say in no time because it does take a little bit of time, but we'll definitely have you sorted out in a quick turnaround time.